Hi, my name is Elijah, and I'm 8 years old. And I've been cooking since I was 4. And I will be teaching you how to cook foods that I love. Are you ready? Let's get started. I am tired. Are you guys tired?
Yes.
Ooh, I see you sweating, guys.
I'm sweaty. See this thing? See?
Yeah. Are y'all hungry?
Yes. Are you sweaty?
Easy.
Oh.
Are you hungry?
Yes. Yes.
What do y'all want to eat?
Sandwich.
What do you want to eat?
Sandwich.
Okay, let's make a panini sandwich.
Okay. Okay. Come on. Let's go.
So right now, I'm back in the kitchen. I washed my hands. And now, I'm going to show you how to make the panini. First, I'm going to show you how to make the chicken. And here's what you'll need. So, I washed my chicken, and the reason why you should wash your chicken really good is because you don't want to catch a cold or anything, and you don't want to get the germs on your food or hands. I have Parmesan cheese, I have pepper flakes, I have oregano, I have salt and garlic powder, and I have some black pepper and olive oil and a lemon. So now I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese to sprinkle it all on. And my crushed pepper flakes. And I'm going to add my salt to sprinkle it all on too. And my black pepper. And I'm going to add my garlic powder. And my oregano.
You're doing a great job, Elijah.
Thank you. So now I'm going to flip my chicken over. I'm going to put the chicken in the bag.
But you didn't put the oil in there.
Don't worry, I'll get to that. So now I got the seasonings in the bag, and I cleaned up a little bit, and now I'm gonna put the oil in the lemon inside. So now I'm gonna cut the lemon, and it's really tough, and it gives it a really nice flavor with the chicken. Oh, some got in my eye. Yikes! Just kidding. So now I'm gonna just squish it all on and just squeeze it all on and put some oil in it. Here's the fun part. It's time to dance. Cook the chicken.
Elijah, what you doing?
Well, I'm putting the chicken on a griddle.
Well, that's great.
Oh, it is.
Because I like you just put the chicken on the griddle.
So now I'm going to let it cook for a little while. Bye. So now that I have the chicken ready, now it's time to put the panini together. And what we need for the panini is pesto sauce, cheese, tomatoes, spinach, and naan bread. Now it's time to put the panini together. What you need to do is get some pesto sauce and smear it all over that bread. And it has an impact flavor. It's really good. And now I'm just gonna get a little bit more just to be sure it's really to pack up the flavor, and just smear it some more. Smear it some more. So since I'm done smearing, I'm gonna put some spinach on it, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna put the tomatoes on, just like a blanket. You can do as much as you want. I just want 3. Now it's time to put the chicken on. So you're just gonna put the piece of chicken on, and then you're gonna get some mozzarella cheese and just spread it all on it. You could do as much as you want, but I just like a little bit. And then you're gonna get some pesto sauce and spread it all over the other piece of bread. And you're just gonna smear it like you did on the other side, and just make it really even to be exact for the other side. And you're just gonna smear it all over. Just smear it, smear it, smear it. And when you're done smearing, you're gonna put it on the rest of the sandwich. You're gonna pat it down a little bit and put it on the grill for 5 minutes and wait until it's done cooking. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. And if you saw the cupcakes, leave a comment down below. Bye!